Okay, teachers, today I'm going to show you how to share a whiteboard in Zoom. This is a great collaboration space and just a real quick tool that you can pull up at any time during your lesson. All right, so what you're going to do in Zoom is click Share. You're going to choose Whiteboard and then click Share. When you do, you get the annotation tool, or toolbar, excuse me, along the top. And I believe you can move it. There you go. You can obviously enter in text. You can select it with your mouse and change the color and all of that. You can draw. You can stamp things. Maybe you have some thoughts here and you want your students to put a heart by the thing that they like. You can spotlight, kind of use a pointer or an arrow. Of course, you can erase your own items. As a teacher, you can erase all of the items. There's your formatting. You can undo, redo. You can clear the screen, and of course, you can save it. So very, very useful tool. Notice in the bottom right corner, you have an Add Page button. And then once you add multiple pages, you can go back and forth between the arrows. And I am going to invite a friend to show you this piece. Okay, one thing I want to do now, now that I've invited someone, my friend is on here, just like you can do with your students. And this person is on an iPad. And so they're going to tap their screen. They're going to click on a pencil in the lower left corner and get a very similar toolbar to what you see on my screen. Now, they're going to have some cool shapes. They're going to have a text box tool. And so as they're typing, as they're drawing, you're seeing those things. Now, of course, they could delete their items, or I could delete their items. Now, if your students are not on an iPad, they may need to click on the View Options button on their toolbar and then go to Annotate. So they need to turn that toolbar on, and if they're on like a laptop or a Mac or Windows desktop. So very, very easy to collaborate. You've seen now how a student could join, this shared resource, this whiteboard built into Zoom. And I really hope you can use it to collaborate and add engagement to your classroom.